What are these pedals? Oh, these are just like...
Yeah, I'm afraid I'm gonna... that's another reason why I don't want to jump. I'm afraid.
Of the pedals?
I'm afraid of fucking... These are the Lynx ones. Fucking... I'm heavy. I'll break them.
Does it come with these riser things?
No, you buy those off of AliExpress.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I bet.
You gotta make sure I get a good fucking hit on these things.
Watch out.
Yep.
Can we ride this now? Ah, damn it. But once it's like all done and they've kind of like gotten their fill of it, then they'll just leave it alone. Still water in here. I'm gonna be careful through here. See all the little Suron marks? Yeah. Right here too. Dropping in. Wow. Oh, that's a pedal clip. Oh. And right up here. Oof. Whoa, buddy. Got some slippage on that one. Crossover. Come on down. Richard's stranded on an island.
It's heavy.
I bet. It's over 100 pounds, isn't it?
I don't know, but when I got right here, I was like, I didn't have enough strength to maneuver it.
He's on the Sherman L.
Definitely something to get used to.
Yeah. He's gonna be riding his Lynx at the Eastgate Con. Look at all the lizards. Lizard, lizard, lizard. See 3 lizards.
Over all those rocks, I was maneuvering, I was like following you.
Yeah.
Gary, no more strength left. And I came up a little bit too fast on that, and like, I should have been left.
Yeah.
It's too close to that crevice.
Shit.
No. And then those little rocks that were on the top, I guess a guide to tell you to turn.
Yeah.
I hit those too, so.
Yeah, it's always a fun one. There's something to do right here too. I never remember the right. Hell yeah. I never remember the way off of this one though. Alright, giving Richard the tow on this little jump line. It's gonna be a sideways hit here. Oh shit. Then we need a bigger speed here. And then we can cut across here. And then this is an easy one. I'd say the sideways one's kind of the tricky part. Oh, it looks like they're working on some stuff over here. Construction in progress.
Good down here.
Yeah, they're still working on it right now. Let me look at trail forks and see where this trail is, because I know it's one of these ones that drops in right here. Probably back a little ways. Alright, so this is Sputnik. Let's check this one out a little bit.
This one.
Yeah, we'd probably want to stay on this big rock and then just drop in right here. I'm not going down the middle of that shit. F that. It'd be, if you could keep your tire on like this,
Right on the edge.
On this edge, yeah.
Right on the edge.
But that's scary. If you pedal clip, I mean, if you're going slow, it's not bad, right?
Right.
But yeah, this looks cool.
This looks plenty doable. All of it.
We'll go down Hitman and just like kind of go around all the gnarly shit. All right, I want to try this first little section on Hitman. Give it a little look. I just want to stay here, get up onto this, and then drop in. Oh, not so bad at all. On the brakes quite a bit. And then, let's see. Gotta watch some more videos and get the line down better. But then we start coming down this way, and then I believe it's right here. Let's take a look at this drop. This is the one. This is like the crux of the trail, I would say. This is the thing that I'm most excited about. You're gonna basically be doing some kind of gnarly shit right here. And then once you get onto this platform, you start to get ready up. Go right between these rocks. I think just a little bit of speed is gonna be perfect.
Just like barely dropping off, looks like it'll be enough.
Just a little bit of speed, and then hold on for that impact, because it's gonna be rowdy. But for us as electric unicycles, honestly, I'd almost want to just push these two rocks off, because I think the bikes come right down through here, but there's just a couple little pedal scrape hazards that are gonna make you go so slow. I mean, if you're me, yeah, you'll wanna, it's gonna be trying to pitch you off to the right. Ideally, come from right here, but then you have this little monster. I don't want to
hit that fucking rock, dude, whatever you do.
I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm just,
When we do, fucking don't hit that rock.
that rock?
Yeah.
We can have a spotter.
Right, yeah. Be good to push you out of the way. Stop you.
Just literally like standing right there at that rock, and you just get in the way of the rock and the person.
Fuck, not the wheel.
You can jump out of the way of the wheel. I'm just saying, you stay between the rock and the person. Try to push them to make sure they don't hit, you know?
Right.
Just stand, like I said, like in front of the rock, so before they get to the rock, you can just fucking like quarterback, just like fucking check them.
Back them away from the rock.
Just fucking shoulder check them. Yeah, it is a bad spot for the rock, but ideally you want to be coming, this thing's going to already have you on this side, so you're going to be going right to left. But yeah, anything can happen.
It looks doable though.
It's super doable. Honestly, the hard part is just making it to right here with composure, because this shit is going to be f***ed. This little entrance right into it.
Yeah, you either gotta come in all...
You got to be so solid right here to fucking commit. And if you're right here and you're not solid, there's nothing you can really do to stop. Once you get off right here, you're going over the edge. I'll go show you guys what it looks like from the side. We are gonna do this one. This is on the list. But to be 1000% honest, I'm still warming up to this Xway. I think that it would be a great wheel to do this on. I think I need to change my pedal angles or something. I don't know. I hate not having my E-Rides pedals for this. I don't even think I can go down this slowly. I wanted to kind of stop and take a look at this. And it doesn't really look like much from down here. That's why I wanted to stop from like right there. It would probably look really crazy. It's gonna be a good one. And then I believe there's one more good one somewhere along the way. Wow! Woo! It's a nice little rock feature there. I hate the way the dirt feels right now. It's still like wet, so it feels all like there's different layers or something. And the top layer just keeps sliding off, just shears off from like the good supple dirt. There's all this sand that's kind of like resting on top, like marbles. It just slides off. Where are you, Richard? Did he go this way? Yeah, this is the right way. You're good. Yeah, this is the other drop. Is it good?
A little bit of speed right here.
Huh?
Just come in with the, like...
Could I just do it from here?
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to see where the knuckle was. Okay, yeah, that's super easy. Yeah, it's just, honestly, that one drop we were just looking at, that's the scary part.
I came in here one time with my RS a long time ago.
Yeah.
And I was dead with battery. I almost didn't have enough to get out. And I was right there. I had to walk back up that way. We were going right now.
Yeah, I think I've come down this before, once or twice.
We came down as a group one time.
Yeah, long time ago. Yeah, that one's only like 4 or 5 feet. Super chill. And honestly, I think that one up top's gonna be chill too. I really just think, look at these lizards. I just think getting there is gonna be the crux. I think I wanna cross over. Yeah. Then we go up this.
You're at my shit site, dude. Let me shit and pee.
Sorry, I was trying to stay looking at him. I wasn't looking where I was going.
I didn't see it either.
Hell yeah. All right, let's see if I can survive now. What?
It's set right on the rock.
Oh shit. Must get pretty bad down there. Man, I miss my E-Ride pedals so bad. Go right down it. Oh, let's get a better start. Not really any good places to start right here, though. All right, we're on. Oh. This is Pedal Clip City. Whew, that was pretty damn surgical. Playing like Operation, right?
Yeah, I was thinking methodically as best I could. I was like, man, am I gonna hit my tail here? Am I gonna hit my tail over here?